Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea. Welcome to my first unboxing video. A couple of weeks ago, I sent some Bling Tea to a place called Dutch Boys Chocolate in Kingsville, Ontario, which is in southwestern Ontario. It is about as far south in Canada as one can get. And it's a little gourmet kind of town. It's known for being a bit of a gourmet place. So they've made some chocolates using a Bling tea. They've used organic masala chai and cream of Earl Grey, and they sent me the results. So we're gonna open things up and give things a taste. I am so excited. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Wow, look at the little packaging. Isn't that sweet? Love the colors. Oh, and there's another smaller package with the same colors. Let's see if it says what's what. Okay, it doesn't say, but oh, okay. Oh, open it up. Oh, look at that, the little, really nice box. Oh, look at that little flap. And then another little flap. And all of the different little chocolates that they make. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, that's it. Look at this, how intricate they are, how beautiful they are. Can you see that? Look at a little bit closer. It's just so delicate with the little, I don't know, just the little decorations on the chocolate themselves. So I'm going to, it doesn't say whether this one's Earl Grey or organic masala chai, so I'm going to have to give them a taste test. Definitely cream of Earl Grey and chocolate go incredibly well together. Oh my God. I'm just gonna try and give the other one a try. Twist my arm. Oh, again, another pretty little box. So well packed. Oh, and it says right there, it says chai. He wrote chai on it. So it proves that I did get it right. So let's give the chai a taste. That really is standout. You could really taste the cardamom and the ginger and the cinnamon from the organic masala chai with the chocolate. It's like a dark chocolate ganache. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. These are really terrific. I can't thank Dutch Boys Chocolate enough to give our teas a try in making their chocolates. And from what I understand, this is a secret. They may try to use some of our teas, some of our Bling teas, in creating more chocolates like this. They taste just incredible. I'm just so stoked and happy to see this.